It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. I hope everybody's having a great day. Man, today is Wednesday. We're making it, we at that hump, y'all. Almost done with the week, y'all. Hey, my week has been great. Y'all see by the thumbnail, we got yet another unboxing. And with this unboxing, I got a couple friends that are coming along. We're gonna be doing a little bit something different today. But if y'all are new to the channel, go ahead, pull up, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family, y'all. It is greatly appreciated. I appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all that pull up and tune in, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, like, share, all that good stuff. I really, truly appreciate it. I love each and every one of y'all. And you already know, man. With that being said, let's try to get this video up to 50 likes. Hit it, slack it, whatever it is that you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best. Because at the end of the day, y'all, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about the topics that we're going to talk about in this video, and as well as the kicks. So let's get straight to it. First and foremost, y'all, shout out to my bro Willie. Y'all can go follow him on Instagram at fresh_kicks. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here, as well as link him in the description box below. Man, I met bro through the Yellow Ochres when they dropped in Germany, and ever since then, me and bro been rocking out, man. Very good dude, really humble, dedicated sneakerhead. He not only buys, he sells, but he rocks. And man, bro hit me with the oop on these things, man. I'm talking about stupid oop. But let's go ahead and get this box open, y'all. And we're gonna talk a little bit about these shoes. I'm gonna do this review a little bit different because I know y'all wanna see what's in the box. But also, we're just gonna talk a little different. So, all right, y'all. So we got that box out of there. And y'all already know I'm stupid excited. My favorite retro of them all, the retro ones. And if y'all new to the channel and y'all just now seeing this, y'all gonna think it's kind of weird, but y'all know what time it is. All my day ones know what it is. Woo! Yes, Lord, yes, Lord. Smell test approved by your boy DaRetroWizKid. Y'all already know, man, these retro ones have a smell like no other. I love smelling the Jordans, but out of all the Jordans, the ones, man, yo, this is like that sneakerhead crack, I guess y'all could say, y'all. Don't do crack. Crack is whack. But this that sneakerhead crack when you smell them shoes. Good gosh almighty. Alright, y'all, let's get these things on out. And y'all already know it's them pine greens, and we coming with that Fuego Fire Flame, y'all. These things are stupid. Last one that I needed to get, that I really wanted to get. Little background about the shoe before we dive into it. Yo, like I said, bro hooked me up. These were in a consignment shop that he was trying to sell, and he had these going for $280, y'all. Y'all can see it right there. He had them going for $280. He wanted $280 for these kicks, and bro blessed me with the shoe. I'm talking about when I say you give love, you get love back in the sneaker community, and that's what it's all about. I paid $200 for these, $210 shipped. So, $210, but out of the $10 of it went to shipping, so $200 pretty much. Bro is a great dude, bro, and I really appreciate you hooking me up with these, bro. Same person, like I said, that hooked me up with my Static Yeezys. So let's go ahead, y'all, and I'm actually, I'm gonna take that thing out the plastic, man, because it's my shoe. Got that thing out the plastic, y'all, and y'all know it is fire, y'all. Let's get these close. So y'all, diving in, man, these pine greens are stupid fire. I love how, they're just dope, man. There's nothing else to say, man. I love the sale on the shoes, man. I'm digging the toe box, with that tumbled leather, just stupid fire. You can't go wrong with that nice green on the bottom. It's like a, they call it pine green, and it's like a forest green, y'all. Very dope shoe, in my opinion, but there's a little bit something that I'd like to talk about. I don't want to give you guys that regular review, and, we're going to sit that one right there. We're going to move this one out the way. So here we have all of the shoes. We have, I told you it's a little bit different, y'all. We got the Shattered Backboards, which released June 25th, 2015. We have the Bread Toes, which released February 24th, 2018, and the Pine Greens and the Court Purples, which released September 22nd, 2018. Now, y'all, all these shoes were released at a suggested retail sticker of $160. Something that all these shoes have in common, y'all, is that they all released during the 20-something of the month. But something that I just, you know, I know people that probably noticed this, but I don't really know too many people that did a video like this, so I wanted to bring this to y'all's awareness. So right here, we had a shattered backboard, which, as y'all see, man, before I was rocking sneaker shields, I used to just wear these, and you see it's creased up, but I put my sneaker shields in there, and they're like new. Now, I got these from Flight Club. It has a minimal glue right there, a little bit of something, but I got these off of Flight Club, and this is probably my most expensive Jordan that I ever purchased, but I wanted to go with Flight Club because, you know, I felt like they were a trusted seller, so that's why I went with Flight Club. Now, all these shoes, what do they have in common? They're all the same damn color blocking, y'all. Every single shoe is the same, y'all. The only difference is they changed out the bottom, the back, and the toe box. All of these are simply the same. Color blockings are just a little bit different, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. And there's a trend right here, y'all. There's a trend, and there's a reason to the madness. They saw what the shattered backboard did, y'all, and in my opinion, they were like, yo, we're about to market this. The only thing is, y'all, no shoes quality has come out with this toe box. None of the shoes have come out with this toe box. Now, don't get me wrong. I know this video is predominantly about me unboxing these Pine Greens, which are Fuego, and I'm talking about Fire Flame. All of these shoes are Fire Flame. But you see what Jordan Brand is doing. Jordan Brand has went now with that sale ever since the shattered backboards dropped. We've been seeing a lot of the sale inside of the Jordan 1s, which I think is a great way for the aging of the shoe. You don't have to worry about the shoe getting that yellowish age on it due to age and just wearing the shoe and cleaning the bottoms. You kind of have like that. It's kind of like it makes you feel like the shoe is vintage. So, you know, we got that nice sale on the shoe, which I think is very dope. And I mean, y'all, what is next? What is next? You know, let me give y'all my opinion. We got red, we got purple, we got green, we got orange. Come on, y'all. You know we're gonna get a blue one like this. It's only right that we get a nice blue, a royal blue right here with the sale. And then, of course, I'm seeing a yellow, you know, yellow. And I don't know if these will be GRs, but this is just what I think might be happening, y'all. I know this video is a little bit different. I just didn't want to give y'all just a normal unboxing. I wanted to talk about how do you all feel about Jordan Brand and how they have taken the shattered backboard, which is the OG that started this all, and they have just, you know, now they're using the same color scheme and they're just hitting it with the different J's. I think it's dope. I think still the shattered backboard is by far my favorite. Next to that one would probably be the Bread Toes, y'all, and the Court Purples and the Pine Greens. I actually copped them pretty much in the order that I wanted them. I had to get the Court Purples first because I like them a little bit over the Pine Greens, but I was able to add them all to the collection. All very dope shoes. I just wanted to know, how do y'all feel about that? Do y'all think that these are all dope? How do y'all feel about the color schemes? What do you all think is next for Jordan Brand? Do you guys think they're going to continue making shoes with this color blocking? Because I think they are, y'all. I think they realize with these shattered backboards, oh, these were an epidemic, and you know, they realize, yo, we can drop the same color blocking on the shoes and people are still gonna buy them. I mean, come on, people are still gonna buy the J's, man. People are still gonna buy the J's. But like I said, all the shoes all have the same similarity. I think that Jordan Brand has done a great job with the ones. Yes, they oversaturated us with retro ones, but at the end of the day, man, you're gonna buy what you like, you're gonna rock what you like, and that's all that matters. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I know this video is a little bit different. It was an unboxing, but at the same time, I will spin pictures of the Pine Greens at the end, do a little collage picture for you with all of the shoes next to each other. But this is like a candy pack, y'all. For real, this is like a candy pack, for real, y'all. This is like a candy pack 2-pack with ones. But y'all let me know in the comment section how y'all feel about the color blocking and these retro ones coming out like this. It is. So there y'all have it, y'all. Pine Greens added to the collection. Sneaker Dungeon, we got them now. I feel like this was the last one to get with the color blocking like that, and a very dope shoe. Y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about the color blockings. What do y'all think Jordan Brand is gonna do next with the color blockings for us? I mean, very dope shoes. I really hope they don't never go up in retro ones with the prices. Just leave them at 160. At one time, you know, we were watching Jordans go from 150 to 160 to 170 to 180, and now we're at 190, and we were just watching it every year increase. This year it's still 190, which is thank you. But let's leave the Jordan 1s at 160, y'all. Very dope shoe. I think we're gonna get more colors like this with this blocking this year. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a blue or a yellow like this, just like this, just changing out the color in the bottom and everything. But I'm gonna spin them pictures for y'all because y'all know that's what I do, and over here we do what we do at our best. I appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all. If y'all are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, join your boy DaRetroWizKid in the sneaker dungeon family. We are on the race to 10K. You dig? We trying to hit that thing by June, man, and I know we can do it with the help of each and every one of y'all. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all. Follow your boy on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and head over to Facebook and like my page at DaRetroWizKid. And y'all already know, man, I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Y'all stay tuned tomorrow. I got another banger for y'all. That video tomorrow is gonna be pretty dope, and it's gonna be informative if you've never done this before. So hey, appreciate the love and support. I'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. Get it!